Well, hello again, everybody. I'm going to kind of show you the inside of the new terminal here in Talibon. We were on the outside where the open market was earlier. And of course, there are always going to be some shops going up, and generally they're food shops for the people here. And of course, the parking now of the V-hires and that, and all the different vehicles to haul people here. So we'll just kind of take a walk down the line here, and everybody on YouTube, yeah, you'll be on the internet, on YouTube, so and show you, but they're mostly food places and that, and more shops. I'm sure that there's going to be a whole bunch opening, and they'll get this a little bit more organized as I kind of walk down to the end here and that. And the jeepneys here, of course, that was the most original form of mass transportation here is the jeepneys and that, and they've been around since World War II here. And now they call all these multiple type transfer vehicles jeepneys, but they took after basically design of American war and here, and when they came to the Philippines and bringing their jeeps over here and that. So a little bit more of all the food available here and that. So yeah, all the different shops going up here and that. So I'm going to walk back down here by Beth. I don't know if she's grabbing a little something to eat here. And this is on both sides. If we walk down the other side here, I can see all the, what did you get? Oh, sticky rice. Yeah. And Beth got some sticky rice here to eat for a little snack for breakfast here. So we'll kind of walk down the line here, and on the other side here is all the bus parking here, and these are the new buses, like I said, that have been coming in here as of late and that, so you'll get an idea. But oh, very nice, and it's huge. And like I said, shops are going to be going up here in all these roll-away doors and that. So all the different buses basically going from here to towards Jagna on the one side, and towards Tagbilaran and Tagbilaran on the other side. So yep, and this is a major form of transportation for people there. They've got a mass transit system here that's kind of the envy of everybody, between their V-hires, their tricycles, their buses, their jeepneys. They basically adjusted to what they needed in order to transfer a large amount of people in a short amount of time. So, and it's worked out really well here. And Beth and I have used all of the means here of being able to get from certain places and that. Yeah, I'll have some water, honey. So just basically kind of wanted to show you the setup on the inside here and that, but I'll let you go. Thanks for viewing again. This is a new part of Talibon, and as you can see by the background, all the trees and that here, we're basically kind of out in the country, beyond what I call the four corners on the outskirts of town here, and an excellent place to really build here because it has access from Getafe, it has access from Trinidad here from both sides without going into town, and that's why they decided to build it here. And it's going to be real convenient for moving, like I said, a huge amount of people here. So I'm going to let you go. Thanks for viewing. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.